babes, I'm going to be showing you how you can groom your brows at home. First, you're going to need a spoolie. You need a clean spoolie. You need a new blade. And let's get into it. As you can see, my brows are quite bushy and I'm going to be cleaning that. First, brush up your brows, making sure every hair is brushed well and brush them down. Using your blade, you're going to trim the top part of your brows. Follow the natural shape of your brow. You're going to start from the front part going to the tail. Make sure you're very precise at your arc. You can make them as thick or as thin as you please. Follow the natural shape of your brow if you're a newbie. Be careful as you do not want to cut yourself in the process. You're then going to brush your brows up. If there's still excess hair, you're going to remove that. On the lower part of your brow, you're going to start with the arc, and you're going to mark where you want your arc to be and how deep you want it to be, just like that. Using the tip of your blade, like so. Then you're going to remove the excess hair on the arc of your brow to make it clean. Then you're going to trim the front part of your brow as now you head to the tail, removing all the excess hairs. And that is how your brow is going to look like. Let's go to the other brow. We are going to do basically the same thing, starting from the top of the brow, cleaning it up in the bottom of the brow. And just like that, you have well-groomed brows at home. This is how my brows were looking like before, and that's how they look after. Let me show you a clear photo of how they used to look before. That is the before, and that is how they look after. Thank you so much for watching. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl.